Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize the fading of Select to Speak shortcut floating button in a Realme 14 Pro phone. So let's look for it. First of all, settings. Then we need to go to accessibility and convenience. Then accessibility. Next we need to tap the Vision tab at the top, and here we have our Select to Speak. First of all, the shortcut is here, which we need to enable first. Then we can tap the option button and then more options. And here we have our options. So first of all, the fading is enabled using this switch right here. And here is the transparency slider, which we can change, as you can see. So I will leave it somewhere in the middle and I will leave the fade on. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.